All right, so in this video, we're going to focus on creating the upsells during checkout, and we're going to use Gumroad to make that happen. So what you want to do is go to your checkout tab right on the left side, and then click on upsells. And this is going to be the upsells right at the checkout window. So once you get to here, we're going to click the new upsell. And this is where you could create all the details for that upsell. So right here, you could also get a little preview of what it's going to look like. That way, whenever somebody comes to the checkout and they're ready to buy, this little pop-up window is what's gonna pop up. All right, so let's start with this section right here. First, you want to give it a name, and this name is more for like internal notes. So it kind of makes it easier for you to identify, if you have a long laundry list of upsells, this name right here will make it easier for you to identify which upsell you're working with if you ever want to make changes or edits to it. So for this one we'll just go ahead and name it Upsell from Gumroad course to Marketing Blueprint. So basically, when people check out with this product, they're gonna get upsold the Marketing Blueprint. All right, now the offer text is what's gonna be shown on the top of the pop-up. This is the largest font they're gonna see. So you want to make something that's kind of like catchy to their eyes, and at the same time hooks them into the upsell. And I'm gonna go ahead and paste this one right here. And I'm gonna just write special bundle offer marketing blueprint. And you can see the line, it's written out right here on the preview panel. And now you could write the description for that pop-up. That way they know what they're buying. So this is kind of be the hook for what they're gonna buy, and then the description of what they're actually getting. So let's paste that over right here. And now you can see that shows up just below the offer text. The next thing is we want to choose what type of offer this upsell is going to offer. So you could choose either to add another product. And since this is a bundle, we're just going to add another product. So it's going to be the product that they put in their checkout plus this pop-up offer. So we're going to add another product to the cart. Apply to these products. So now I could choose which products this upsell is going to apply to. If I wanted to, I could apply it to multiple, but I wanted to only apply Gumroad e-commerce guide. So whenever people actually go to check out with this guide, which is a free lead magnet, they're going to get this offer right here. And that offer is going to offer this product, the 5-step product marketing blueprint, which is another lead magnet I have, except I'm going to upsell them on the premium version. So now I'm going to choose version to offer. And since I have two versions to choose from, I want to upsell them on a premium product. So now they're going to get offered the premium product. You have to be mindful of these offers because you don't want to offer them something too expensive. Otherwise, it's just going to make people want to not buy anything and just leave, and you lost the lead. And also, these upsells, they should be relevant to the product that they're getting. So like, for example, this e-commerce guide is going to show people how to create an online store and run an e-commerce business. And the product that I'm offering them is a marketing blueprint. So once they create their store, once they start listing products, they're going to want to learn how to sell these things. So some customers it would make sense for them to get this product right here. But if you offer something that's completely irrelevant, like let's say they could sell digital products with Gumroad, and all of a sudden I'm offering a guide on, fitness, which makes no sense to go together, or a guide for, what is it, like a cooking guide or something. It makes no sense to put those together. And people are going to look at it confused, like, what is this? What am I getting? They're going to go back to the product they're signing up for and think, like, is it even what I'm actually coming here for? Like, why is it offering me a cooking guide or a fitness guide or some other guide that's completely irrelevant? So you got to make sure these upsells are relevant to the product in the checkout. So since these two are relevant to each other, I'm going to offer this premium version. And then also you can add a discount to the offered product. Point is that it's too pricey of an upsell to go from 0 to 79. So instead of making it such a pricey item, I'm going to try to market it with, FOMO, fear of missing out. So it's going to be an expensive product, which most likely people will say no, but I'm going to make it a little more appealing by giving it a discount. So let's say maybe a 20% or a 25% discount. If they get this guide, they could add the premium marketing blueprint for 25% off. So even though it's a pricey upgrade to go from 0 to, now having to purchase the actual product, having to pull out their credit card or, their Apple Pay or something, and to actually give up some of their money for a product, you got to make it worth it to them. And one way to do that is to actually give a discount. So for this one, let's just say we want to do a 25% discount. So we'll go ahead and save it. And now that that's created, you got it right here. You got your special bundle offer marketing blueprint. You got the discount, the number of uses, how much revenue you have made with this discount or this upsell offer. So let's go over here. Here's some of my other upsell offers. For example, like this one right here, I have 3 total upsells, which adds up to 80 bucks. I got 2 more upsells right here that adds up to 6 bucks and 60 cents. 2 more upsells for $66, 1 more upsell for $10. So it keeps track of, the number of times you've made an upsell and then the total revenue you acquired from those upsells. All right, so now the last thing to do is you want to test this upsell. So we're going to go to that product that triggers the upsell. Okay, so now that we're at the product, what we can do is do a test purchase. So let's go ahead and try to buy this product, which is free. I want this item. We're going to remove this. There you go. So now I got this guide. And if somebody were to try to buy this, they're going to put their email address, add a tip. Let's say they don't want to put nothing. And now they want to get that guide. And there you go. There's a pop-up offer. Actually, this is a different pop-up offer. It's got multiple. So now whoever tries to get this free lead magnet, they're going to receive this pop-up window with an upsell offer for a lead magnet blueprint framework for 20 bucks, which is a full price. And if you notice, 20 bucks is kind of a reasonable price. It's not too high, but at the same time, it's a profitable range. So that's why I made this offer. But let's say we don't want this. Now we got the one we just created, which is a second upsell. Technically, I should probably change the order, make this one first, but so special bundle offer. Here goes a little description, and you could add more if you want, more description, but honestly, it's better if you keep it short. And then they could get a little image of what they're going to get. They see the full price of $79, and the discounted price comes down to $59.25. So this is a little too expensive of an upsell to go from a lead magnet, which is $0 to 59 bucks, because a lot of these leads are coming for a free product. They had no intention to buy anything. So $59 is a big jump, but at the same time, you're kind of hoping that, FOMO is gonna play its part, play a role in actually convincing some of these or converting some of these leads into customers, to paying customers. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart. And if they wanted to, they could also click into it to see what they're going to get. They could go ahead and read it, see the price. This is the entire landing page, all the description for it. All right, so they like what they see. They go to the checkout, and now they can see the price right here is $79. But the discount being applied is $19.75 off. So instead of 79, they're going to pay $59.25. So they'll just go ahead and put in all their details right here and then just go ahead and get the product. And that's how an upsell works. So you just create the upsell at the checkout, go ahead and test it, and then you could see right here, you want to make sure that it shows up on discounts because that's what the customer is expecting is a discount. It should work if you set it up right. All right, so that's it. That's all you got to do to create a checkout.